So why are we so picky about this? MathML equations can be read by some screen readers, whereas equation editor cannot. So MathML is our math markup language that is part of the world we live in for accessibility with our math. For an example of how this works, we're going to have the screen reader read the equation editor version and then the MathType version.
Equation editor. 1 minus 2 italics small x italics small n 2 italics small d italics small x.
So the reader read it as 1 minus 2 and then just mentioned the x and the n italics and d and x italics, but not the 2 and not even the integral. Now let's see with the screen reader how it reads the MathType.
The integral from 1 to negative 2 of x sub n squared dx.
So we can see here that it was able to read it appropriately versus what the equation editor would do. So I've published this Word document as a web page, and I'm going to have the reader now read the web page.
Editor's MathType. MathML equations can be read by some screen reader. Equation editor. To get missing image descriptions, open the context menu, unlabeled graphic. Blank, MathType. Integral subscript 1 superscript negative 2x subscript n superscript 2 dx math content.
So we can see that the screen reader read the equation editor as an image, but it read the MathType integral appropriately. So that's why we want to use MathType. And MathType, we actually can get it in our Canvas web pages that we create, and we would rather use MathType instead of the equation editor in those web pages as well.